Join me as Eric Nelson continues talking about the umami bomb with his discussion of fish sauce.
Right. Now, speaking of that, if you want to go on the Asian tip, my second condiment is fish sauce.
I saw that, and fish sauce. I did a little research in. You boil some fish and so forth. Does it have a uniform taste, or is it somewhat like umami?
No, I make my, well, first of all, it definitely has the umami bomb. It is similar in a way to the oil-packed anchovies, for example, in that sort of fishy umami bit. Now, I make my own fish sauce, which is a labor of love in some sense. You have to get fish, and then you have to ferment it, which is, it could be, several weeks. And
well, several weeks?
Yeah, then you have to ferment it for several weeks. And I have some fish sauce right in front of me, which I used last night, actually, that I made in September of 2018, according to the label.
My goodness. So it keeps, in other words.
Oh, it'll keep because it's just basically salted down. Anyway, the difference between a store-bought bottled fish sauce and stuff you make yourself is that the store-bought bottled fish sauce is much sharper in its flavor than the stuff you make yourself, which has sort of a rounder, more of a mellow flavor. But in either case, they both have that umami bomb. And I use fish sauce, besides in Asian cooking, you use it all the time. But for example, last night I steamed up some broccoli. So steamed up some vegetables, and you just dump a little bit of fish sauce over the steamed vegetables, and it gives it this amazing umami flavor, salty umami bomb kind of tip to it, which, it's the same kind of thing if you're making a Caesar salad, right? You would use some, you'd mash some anchovies up and into the salad dressing and make a salad dressing sauce for a Caesar salad, right? It has anchovies in it, right? In this case, you would just use fish sauce. So anytime you would be thinking about using a oil-packed, sort of a pain in the neck, you have to fish the fricking oil-packed anchovy fillets out of the little jar, and then you got to mash them up or whatever, and then put them into a sauce. In this case, you just dump a little fish sauce onto whatever you're doing, and it creates the same kind of effect of terrific umami flavor, saltiness, and it's really great. I mean, you've never had a better sort of steamed batch of broccoli when you've sprinkled some of this on there. It's really good.
So you basically recommend using fish sauce as a substitute for butter and salt.
Yeah, I mean, it could be, rather than butter and salt. Yeah, I mean, if you were going to just steam up a head of cauliflower or steam up a head of broccoli and eat it, what would you have on there, right? Yeah, you might just throw a little salt on there, maybe a little olive oil, whatever. In this case, just sprinkle some fish sauce on there and you'll be surprised how tasty it becomes.
This is not only entertaining, but very illuminating.
I'm doing my best, man.
You're doing a great job. I
thought about this. This is not, I'm not doing anything else. I'm thinking about
this journey I've had into condiments I realize how I've not availed myself of the many tastes in the world.
No, this is why the theme again is umami, Asian umami flavors. They're the ones who invented this. It's sweet, it's sweet, it's salty, and then there's this extra flavor called umami.